Hey everyone, my name's Karan Ficco and I'm here with my colleague Kareem Al-Shamali. We're here in Houston, Texas at Kirby Marina.
The whole story started when the customer reached out to us about their poor experience with their other provider. They had a DSL connection that's backing 5 users plus their cameras, POS systems, and credit card machine.
They were originally still on old copper phone lines and a DSL connection. So we have upgraded them to Verizon OneTalk, voice over IP platform, as well as CSG and Verizon's POTSOLVE. So with the POTSOLVE, essentially what we're doing is we're removing where these lines go out into the street for connection, and the copper phone lines are physically buried in the ground. Now the dial tone starts and ends here, giving them the best reliability over Verizon's 4G network. For the OneTalk, we've now taken that copper phone line out of the street, and now they're also on Verizon's reliable 4G network.
We've changed it with the M519 5G router through CSG with Verizon Wireless as the main provider. We're connected on band 77 C band. We have our brand new CSG siren antenna connected to it. It's running through the penetration point up to the side of the building, pulling the signals from the tower. We have a more reliable network, way faster speeds. The customer is happy.
See you on the next one.